Take a moment to imagine having a bot that you can give commands to, and it can help you make money every week. Does it sound too good to be true? Some might think it's clickbait or unrealistic. However, in this video, I'll demonstrate how you can use artificial intelligence, AI, to grow an online business. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme or one of those fake bots you've seen before. The bot I'm introducing actually performs valuable tasks for businesses. This method is beginner-friendly and doesn't require any previous experience because the AI does all the work. I'll guide you through this tutorial step by step so you can start making money online with AI, even if you're starting from scratch. Just sit back, watch this video, and I'll provide you with all the information you need for the best chance of success. Okay, everyone, let's get started. Our first task is to choose a high-converting offer for affiliate marketing to earn money when people buy products through our link. Right now, we're on Digistore24, but there are several other options like ClickBank, JVZoo, Max Bounty, Warrior Plus, and more. Feel free to share your favorite affiliate marketplace in the comments below. Today, we'll focus on Digistore24 because it's beginner-friendly. To begin, go to Digistore24 and click Register Now in the top right corner. It's a straightforward process. Enter your username, email, and password. You can set your time zone, which is useful since Digistore24 is accessible in many countries worldwide, unlike some platforms like ClickBank. After that, provide your basic information, such as your name, address, and country. Make sure to read and agree to the B2B contract and privacy policy. Click Register Now for free, and your Digistore24 account will be created instantly, no waiting for approval needed. Once you're logged in, click on Marketplace in the top right corner. You'll be taken to a page with various categories like email marketing, dance and music, fitness and health, home and garden, and software. Choose a category that interests you or matches your niche. For this tutorial, we'll select personal development. In this category, there are a lot of products to promote. Scroll through the products and let's pick the top one. It offers a high commission per sale, which is 80%. This is a generous commission compared to many other affiliate programs that typically pay only 20% to 30%. Click on it to get your affiliate link, which is the link that connects to your account. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll make money. Now that you have your Digistore account set up and your affiliate link ready, let's move on to step 2, where I'll show you a tool that will do the heavy lifting for you and help you make money online. Sure thing. Today, we're going to talk about something called Writer, which you can find at writer.me. Writer is a tool that helps us write different articles and blog posts. The best part is we can use it for free to create professional content online and potentially earn money. If you look at the pricing options, there's a free plan that allows you to generate up to 5,000 characters per month. This is all you need to get started making money online with this method. However, if you find yourself needing more words, you can consider the Saver plan or the Unlimited plan, which would be a good choice if you're making money using this method. I'll leave a link in the description to this Writer tool so you can access the main page. To start using it, simply click on Start Writing. It will take you to a section where AI technology will generate content for you. This content will be informative, designed to assist people and guide them towards purchasing the product we're promoting. On the left-hand side, keep the language as English since we're primarily targeting countries like the US, UK, and Canada. In the Choose Use Case section, there are various options to use this ad bot. For example, if you run a blog and need content ideas and outlines, Writer can be a helpful tool for you. If you want Facebook or Google ads or even help with a job description, this ad tool can write the entire ad for you, and it's completely free. It can also assist with SEO and generate YouTube video ideas. It's a versatile tool with many capabilities. In this video, we'll focus on creating a blog idea and outline. Once you do that, you'll notice a section that says Primary Keyword. The keyword you choose depends on the product or topic you're working on. In my case, I'm in the personal development niche, so I'll use a keyword like manifestation. You can adjust the keyword based on your specific product or topic, such as email marketing, or make money online if that's more relevant to you. Then, you'll see the number of variations generated. In this section, we're talking about how many ideas you want the ad bot to provide. You can choose just one idea or go for multiple options. Having more options can be helpful. For now, let's stick with one idea. When it comes to creativity level, you can keep it at the optimal setting. After that, you can simply click Write Now. Within seconds, you'll have an article written by the AI tool, saving you a lot of time. I'll show you shortly how this can help you generate a lot of content online, so please stay tuned, and if you haven't already, please hit the like button. As you can see on the screen, the AI bot has generated various titles and headlines for us to choose from. Once you reach the point where the AI bot provides you with one of the options, you can choose any of the titles. My favorite one is usually the top one. To select it, simply highlight it. Once you've done that, click on More, and you can then expand or shorten it. The AI tool will automatically add more content to your chosen title. So, if you want to write more about a specific topic and add more information to your blog, this tool can help with that. To demonstrate how it works, I'll click on a paragraph so you can see the tool in action. If I repeat the process, you'll notice that the bot keeps adding more information without me having to create it myself. I simply highlight the text, click Paragraph, and it continues to generate additional content. This tool makes writing a blog, which would normally take me an hour or even 2, much easier and faster. With AI, it will handle everything for you. It will create a helpful blog that people will read and find valuable. We can also include our affiliate links to direct people to our products, which will help us earn money through affiliate marketing. Once you've finished your article, simply copy and paste it into a Google document. Then, highlight the text you want as the title for step number 3. This is where we'll add our affiliate link, which is how we'll make money from this content. After each point, create a space. So you have point number 1, then point number 2. Finally, add a call to action to guide readers on what to do next after they've gained valuable information from our article. So I've added a call to action, and now you just need to make it bold or underline it to make it stand out. This helps people understand that it's something they should click on. Personally, I prefer to bold or underline it. After that, you can simply copy and paste it throughout your entire article. I'll copy it and paste it between every point in this blog post. The next step is to hyperlink your affiliate link to this text so that when people click on it, they'll be taken to the sales page. Sure, if you go back to Digistore and get your affiliate link, simply copy it. Then all you need to do is highlight the text where you want to add the link. You can either right-click it and select Insert Link, or go to the top and click Insert Link. After that, just paste your affiliate link and click Apply. Now when people click on this link, it will take them to the sales page. This product has a high conversion rate as it's one of the top products in this niche on Digistore. When they watch the video, they will go to the input format, enter their details, and will earn commission. To ensure you don't miss any sales, just add links to all the call to actions on your page. Encourage people to read the article, find value, click the link, and make a purchase. Once you've linked all your call to actions in the article, you're ready for the next step, which is getting traffic to your article. That's how we'll bring people to your content. To make money, we need to bring in more people. Please stick around, and I'll show you how to profit from this article without having to create it yourself. Now let's move on to step 4, where we'll learn how to attract visitors to this document for online earnings. I'll explain this process shortly. Before that, I forgot to mention in the previous step that you should go to the File menu and export this as a PDF document. Click on Download, save it to your computer, and then we can proceed to the traffic source. Today, we'll be using a website called SlideShare for this purpose. So let's talk about SlideShare.net. It's a valuable but often overlooked source of web traffic. Here you can upload your PDF documents and potentially receive thousands of views. To demonstrate its potential, you can see some articles here with impressive view counts: 12 million views, 2 billion views, and 2 million views, among others. As you scroll down, you'll notice that many people upload their documents and receive hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. Imagine if just 5% of a million viewers clicked on your Digistore 24 offer and made a purchase. That could significantly boost your earnings. To get started, simply sign up for SlideShare. You can sign up using your Google account or your email. It's a quick and completely free process that only takes a few seconds. Sure, once you've signed up, go to the top right-hand corner where it says Upload. You'll be taken to a new page. From here, it's quite straightforward. Choose the document you saved from Google Docs and upload it to the platform. After uploading, you can preview your document. You might consider removing PDF from the title to make it more appealing. When selecting the category, don't choose randomly. It's better to pick one that aligns with your content to reach the right audience. In my case, I've chosen self-improvement. Adding tags is important to increase your visibility on the platform. Just input some relevant tags, and you're all set. After that, you just need to enter your description. It's quite simple. Just go back to Digistore, find the product you're promoting, and copy its description. This way, when people visit your page, they can read about the book and understand what it's about. Eventually, they may click on our affiliate link, which can earn us more than $40 per sale. That's all there is to it. You've got your title, category, tags, and description ready. Now simply click on Public so that when you hit Publish, everyone on the platform can see your post. After that, you can easily share it on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, or any other platform you prefer. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you can see my future content. If you have any questions or want to learn more methods, feel free to leave a comment below.